Good morning students. Today we will discuss the hybridization from the unit chemical bonding. Beta, this is most important topic in this chapter and most interesting also. It explains the shape or geometry of molecule and with angle, and this geometry of molecule totally depend upon the hybridization state. The geometry or shape of the molecule obtained from hybridization is same as that of Vesper theory, or indirectly we can say it is slightly explanation of Vesper theory. But Vesper theory is only imagination, no any reason. Directly two lone pair, two bone pair. That is the which type of geometry? इन्वर्टेड वी शेप ज्योमेट्री. इस तरह से. तो बेटा वहाँ तो सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन किया, नहीं सॉरी डायग्राम दिया आपको कि ये चीज़ है, वहाँ आपके पास क्रैमिंग है, बट यहाँ एक्सप्लेनेशन है. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज द फिनोमिना ऑफ इंटरमिक्सिंग ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल, नॉट ओवरलैपिंग. बेटा इट इज इंटरमिक्सिंग. न्यूक्लियस ऑफ ऑल एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल आर कॉमन at the time of bond formation. The phenomena of intermixing of atomic orbital of same atom with slightly different in energy. The phenomena of intermixing. Beta, this is intermixing. Intermixing of atomic orbitals of same atom. These atomic orbitals which are intermixed with each other belongs to the same atom with slightly differ in energy. When they intermix, their energy will be redistributed, so that redistribution of energy take place. So that redistribution of energy takes place. Beta, the atomic orbital intermix with each other or belonging to the same atom with slightly different energy. That means one orbital have larger energy, other have smaller energy, third one or again smaller energy. When they intermix with each other, the new orbital formed of similar energy. If same energy is same, shape is same, that means redistribution of energy take place. The new orbitals formed with same energy and similar shape. The new orbital formed with same energy, similar shape are known as hybrid orbitals. These new orbitals are called hybrid orbital. Beta, as the number of atomic orbital intermix, the new orbital formed are in same number. If two atomic orbital intermix, new orbital formed are 2. Both hybrid orbital have same energy, same shape, but atomic orbital S is spherical in nature, P dumbbell shape. In x-axis it is px. Dumbbell shape in y-axis py. Dumbbell shape in z-axis, that is pz. Then beta it is the definition, condition or features of hybridization. Beta number 1, you will find out these from definition. The atomic orbital intermix with slightly different energy but belong to the same atom. First one, the atomic orbital intermix belongs to the same atom. Second, the atomic orbital intermix with slightly different energy. That means the atomic orbital which intermix, they have slightly difference in energy. Suppose 2s orbital with 2p, either px, py, pz, but not 3s with 2p, because there is large energy difference. Number of shell will be changed. Third one, the new orbital formed or hybrid orbitals formed with same energy and similar shape, with same energy and similar shape. That means the new orbital formed, each either 2, 3, 4, as many as the new orbital formed, they have same energy and same shape. Beta fourth, the hybrid orbital formed as the same number, the hybrid orbital formed in same number as atomic orbital intermix, as atomic orbitals intermix. Beta, if two atomic orbital intermix, new orbital formed are also 2. If 3 hybrid orbitals are 3. Then beta next, the new hybrid orbital formed having shape of new hybrid orbit form beta having two lobes. One lobe is larger, another lobe is smaller. Larger lobe is positive, smaller lobe is negative. That means probability of finding of electron in larger lobe is maximum. Then, how many types of hybridization? Beta, this is the type of hybridization in your syllabus. Hybridization are DsP2, sp2, d2, sp3, all that. But in case of types, you have only 3 types. First one, beta types of hybridization. First one, diagonal or sp hybridization. In this case, better it is clear by seeing diagonal means 2 orbital. sp, that means s orbital and p orbital intermix with each other to give new orbital. that is known as sp hybrid orbital, and this p consists of three suborbitals px, py and pz. Out of these only px will intermix. In this case, one s orbital, suppose this one p is not possible, so first orbital do not form hybridization, and it is the nucleus of 2s orbital. One s orbital intermix with one p orbital, that is the px, also belong to the same shell, and these two orbitals belongs to the same atom. एक ही एटम के होंगे ये. When these two intermix with each other, intermixing means this orbital is exactly fit on it. By seeing, nucleus of both will be common, just like this. Beta, it is px orbital, it is s orbital. Nucleus will be common. This is known as intermixing. This is known as intermixing of atomic orbitals. After intermixing, if two atomic orbital intermix, two new orbital formed. They have slightly difference in energy, but the new orbital formed are similar in energy and they have same shape. The two new orbitals are formed like this. It is one sp orbital, it is another sp orbital. One lobe is larger, another lobe is smaller. But nucleus will be common. When we make nucleus will be common, the shape like this. It is first orbital, this one is second orbital. This is known as sp hybridization. Sp hybrid orbitals, and this phenomena is sp hybridization. Shape is linear. The shape of the molecule is linear and bond angle is 180 degree. Bond angle is 180 degree. It is sp hybridization. Let's we explain it by using one example. Example, that is BeCl2. Beryllium dichloride. First of all, you find out the central atom. Central atom is beryllium. Atomic number of beryllium is 4. Electronic configuration, beta 1s2, 2s2, 2p empty, or we can say according to Nobel gas, helium 2s2. This one is best method. Beta, draw orbital picture of beryllium for the outermost shell, that is in ground state. When we draw the orbital picture, we will draw only for outermost shell. Outermost shell is second, so orbital picture is just like this. Beta G 2s and 2p is possible. Both the electrons present in s orbital. Beta, we have two surrounding atoms, so we require two unpaired electrons. We require as much as unpaired electron as the surrounding atoms are present. Here two surrounding atoms, we require two unpaired electrons, but here nothing is unpaired, all are paired electron. So beryllium shift itself in excited state. In excited state, one of the electron by gain or absorb energy from elsewhere will be excited into higher orbital. Then one electron is shifted into higher orbital. Higher orbital is 2px. Then beta 2s, 2p. One orbital remain here and one electron remain here and one electron shift into higher orbital, that is 2px. It means we have two orbitals. According to orbital concept, the orbital which take part in bond formation must have unpaired electron. Here is paired, so bonding is there. So it is necessary to make this unpaired. Unpaired electron, we have two surrounding atom, two unpaired electron. Both these orbitals which have unpaired electron, which have at least one electron, take part in hybridization to form sp hybridization state. To form sp hybridization state. Then beta 2s orbital, this one, 2px orbital, this one. It also have one electron. It also have one electron. According to orbital concept, it is clear. The orbital which take part in bond formation must be half filled, and as well as their electronic spin must be opposite to each other. Then you are not need to be represent this. It is represent only in general phenomena. These two atomic orbital with half paired and opposite spin electrons intermix with each other to give two new orbital. This is known as beta. One electron is here, one electron is here. This is the beryllium. Our condition: the atomic orbital which intermix with each other belong to the same atom. Both are of same atom, beryllium. With slightly difference in energy. Beta 2s orbital have different energy as compared to 2px. 2py also have different, 2pz also have difference. If energy is different, shape is different. If energy is same, shape is same. The redistribution of energy take place by intermixing, and new orbital formed with similar energy, similar shape. Both have common nucleus, draw like this. They have linear geometry. And now surrounding atom is, answer is chlorine. Surrounding atom is chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration, lower noble gas is neon. 3s2, beta 3px2, 3py2, 3pz1. That means p orbital have unpaired electron. We will draw like this. This is beryllium. Central atom is beryllium. It is one sp orbital. This one is another sp orbital. Beta, both sp orbital have one unpaired electron. And surrounding atom is chlorine. One chlorine overlap with each other. Only central atom will intermix, otherwise overlapping will take place. 3pz orbital of chlorine atom. One chlorine overlap at right side, one at left side. 3pz chlorine atom. And this is of beryllium atom. This is sp hybrid orbital. This is also sp hybrid orbital. And we get linear geometry, 180 degree bond angle. According to Vesper theory, geometry is linear. Beta, surrounding electrons are two paired surrounding electrons. Both are bonded. There is no longer linear geometry. You will learn like this. Only learning according to Vesper theory. But this will explain atomic orbital of same atom intermix with each other with slightly difference in energy. They will form same number of new orbital with same energy having 180 degree bond angle. Then we use surrounding atom. Surrounding atom is fluorine. If surrounding atom is hydrogen, beta, if molecule is this one, central atom is same, number of surrounding atom is same, this phenomena is common, this is also up to this, it is same. Now our surrounding atom is hydrogen. If surrounding atom is hydrogen, atomic number of hydrogen is 1, electron configuration 1s1. Unpaired electron in s orbital, beta b beryllium have sp hybridized orbital. Linear symmetry, 180 degree bond angle, but surrounding atom is hydrogen. Hydrogen is spherical in shape. Only difference is this one. Then we have linear symmetry, 180 degree bond angle. This is only. Now another one is the sp2 hybridization. Next one is the sp2 hybridization. sp2 means 1 s orbital and 2 p orbitals, that is px and py, intermix with each other to give now 3 atomic orbital intermix. The new hybrid orbitals are 3 with equal energy, similar shape. Now 3 atomic orbitals, 1 s orbital, 2 p orbital, px and py, intermix with each other that are intermixed with each other, intermixing. If 3 atomic orbital intermix, 3 new orbital, that is hybrid orbitals are formed. 3 new hybrid orbitals are formed with shape, one lobe is smaller, other lobe is larger. This one. Now you find out the shape. That it is clear to you all. If you find out the shape, shape is trigonal planar. Shape is trigonal planar. You are not need to be represent these lines. I will only explain to you. With a trigonal planar, then it is known as trigonal hybridization or 1s 2p orbitals intermix with each other to give this phenomena. Let us as similar as sp2 hybridization, this will also explain by using an example, that is BF3. Beta BH3, BBr3, BCl3, all are the examples. Central atom in all case will be same. Central atom is boron. Atomic number 5. Electron configuration of boron is ground state. That is, helium is the lower noble gas than boron, 2s2, 2p1, or we can say 2px1. Draw the orbital picture in ground state. 2s, 2p, 2 2px, 2py, 2pz. S have 2 electrons in ground state, P, X have 1 electron in ground state. We have 3 surrounding atoms, but number of unpaired electron is 1 and we require 3. Then we shift 1 electron from s orbital to high, that is known as excited state. Excited state is represented by star. 1 electron shift from 2s into 2py. But it is 2px, it is 2py, generally 2p. This one is 2pz. Now we require 3 unpaired electron, and now we have 3 unpaired electron and all are used in hybridization, that is sp2 hybridization state. Beta 1 s orbital, this one, px orbital, this is px orbital, py orbital, this is py orbital, intermix with each other, this is the intermixing. To give new orbital, as the same number 3 orbital intermix, 3 new orbitals are formed. Shape is this one, that means it is of boron. It is of boron. Now surrounding atom is, our answer is fluorine. Surrounding atom is fluorine. In case of BF3, we clearly write surrounding atom is fluorine. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. Electron configuration 2s2, 2p5. This is elaborate 2px, 2py, 2pz. 1, 1, 1, 2 remains. 2pz orbital have unpaired electron. Then we will draw hybridized orbital of boron, this one, beta 1 fluorine, 2pz, it is another fluorine, this one is third fluorine. Electrons are here at the place of overlapping. Then we have trigonal planar geometry with 120-degree bond angle. Trigonal planar geometry with 120-degree bond angle. Now third one, that is the tetrahedral. Third one is the tetrahedral. Tetrahedral means 1s and all the p orbitals are 3. Beta tetragonal is known, tetragonal. Shape is tetrahedral or sp3 hybridization state. In this case, as usual, you will understand 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital intermix with each other to give 4 new hybrid orbital. They arrange itself to give tetrahedral geometry. Beta 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, that is px, py, pz. Intermix with each other in the same way. In general, we will draw intermixing, but by taking example, this is not necessary to be represented. To give 4 new orbital, better you will draw like this, tetrahedral geometry, like this. Beta, just like this. Tetrahedral geometry is this one. One bone is above side, three are these. Two bones like be near but not actually. In this way also or in this way also. They have equal distance, but it is three-dimensional by seeing two bones appears to be near, just like this. But not actually, they have equal distance like this. Beta, one orbital, hybrid orbital. This is another hybrid orbital. That is third one hybrid orbital. And fourth hybrid orbital is slightly behind. Just like this. It is tetrahedral geometry. And you will learn the bone angle. That is tetrahedral angle 109.5 degree. Beta, let us explain this by using example. That is CH4, CCl4, all alkanes that have same. The carbon atom joined by 4 single bond have this symmetry. We use the example CH4, that is the simple example. Central atom as usual carbon, atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2s2, 2px1, 2py1. In case of hybridization, you write like this. Now carbon in ground state represent the orbitals 2s, 2p, px, py, 2s2. Surrounding atoms are again 4. Number of unpaired electrons are only 2. Then we need some excitation of electron from paired to empty orbital, higher orbital, that is in excited state. Now we have 4 unpaired electrons, one in 2s and remaining in 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz. All are used in bond formation. That is the hybridization, sp3 hybridization state. Now, according to this, we will draw like this: 2s orbital, 2px orbital, 2py orbital, 2pz orbital intermix with each other to give new orbital, and each orbital is known as sp3 hybridized orbital. Each is known as sp3 hybridized orbital. Clear? Bond angle is this one. Now surrounding atom is hydrogen. Our surrounding atom is hydrogen. Electron configuration 1s1 because atomic number 1. As is spherical shape, they will overlap here. Hydrogen, and we have the shape of CH4 because central atom is carbon. So methane have tetrahedral shape, 109.5 degree bond angle. Better you learn this topic properly, understand the concept. If any doubt or any concept is not clear to you, please call me. Thank you.